Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Vision channel. France, Germany, and Spain have reached an agreement on starting the next phase of development of a new fighter jet dubbed Future Combat Air System, Europe's largest defense project at an estimated cost of more than 100 billion Eurozone 100 and $3.4 billion. The German government said on Friday. The Defense Ministry said in a statement that an industrial agreement was achieved after intense negotiations, confirming an earlier Reuters story saying the three countries and their respective industries had struck a deal. The ministry said it was agreed at the highest government level that a cooperative approach on an equal footing would be pursued in the project, which is under overall French responsibility. The Spanish Defense Ministry said Madrid would spend 2.5 billion euros, $2.58 billion, on the project, of which 525 million euros, $542 million, would be paid in 2023. The ministry said that the cabinet agreed to this expenditure, but did not give other details. The political agreement on Future Combat Air System is a great step in, especially in these times, an important sign of the excellent Franco-German-Spanish cooperation, German Defense Minister Christine Lambrecht said. It strengthens Europe's military capabilities and secures important know-how not only for our, but also for the European industry. Previously, sources had said that the next development phase for the Future Combat Air System was expected to cost about 3.5 billion euros, to be shared equally by the three countries. France's Dassault and Airbus, the latter one representing Germany and Spain, respectively, are involved in the scheme to start replacing French Rafale and German and Spanish Eurofighters from 2040. Now, a number of formal steps in the respective countries have to be taken in order to allow a speedy contract signature, which we will have to adhere to, Airbus said in emailed comments. French President Emmanuel Macron and then German Chancellor Angela Merkel first announced plans in July 2017 for Future Combat Air Systems, which will include a fighter jet and a range of associated weapons, including drones.